Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make cookie cups. Add to a bowl 200 grams of unsalted butter, 60 grams of icing, 50 grams of brown sugar and quarter of a teaspoon of salt. Whisk that together. Then add in 1 egg and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And finally 300 grams of bread flour and 50 grams of chocolate chips. Your cookie dough is ready. Place some foil cupcake holders on a baking tray and spray them lightly with oil. Then scoop in your cookie dough. Use your fingers to mould the cookie dough to the size of the cupcake holder. Then bake at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Once ready, fill them with melted chocolate, being sure to tip the cup around and coat the inside. Then simply fill with some milk. And enjoy! Cheers!